Researchers at the University of Toronto Engineering have developed a heater about the size of a pill tablet that regulates the temperature of biological samples through the different stages of diagnostic testing. This technology could enable resource-limited regions around the world to test for infectious diseases without the need for specialized training or costly lab equipment. The technology regulates the temperature of biological samples through different stages of diagnostic testing, which is crucial to the accuracy of test results. The precision and flexibility of this heater opens the door to a future of do-it-yourself diagnostic kits. The technology behind the team's miniaturized heater invention is described in a paper published in the Journal of Proceedings of the National Academy of Sciences (PNAS). In a typical diagnostic test for infectious pathogens, multiple temperature regulation steps are involved. The ability to control temperature is especially important in areas where access to large research facilities are limited. The lack of electricity adds a layer of complexity. This miniature heater addresses that. It can be used in various settings to detect viruses without the need for electricity. The outside of the heated tablet is composed of a non-reactive acrylic mold that encapsulates lithium, a reactive element that is commonly found in battery cells. When dissolved in water, the reactive lithium interacts with the solution to release heat and hydrogen gas. This results in an increase of temperature for an extended period of time. The researchers observed that the reproducibility of the temperature profile is controlled by constant gas release, which is dictated by the shape of the lithium mold. After testing multiple shapes of the lithium mold from circles to triangles, they found the star shape, measuring just 8 mm in diameter, to be the most ideal for precise heating. Consolidating multiple steps into a single tablet also means specialized training is not required to operate any diagnostic testing, reducing the chance of human error and making the device accessible to the public. Combined with smartphone technology, everyone would have a portable system that can track, monitor, and diagnose infections. This is critical for preventing the spread of diseases.